Okay, here we go. That's the pineal gland, the very back. Yum, yum, yum. And let me see if I can get this. We can do this. It's the pineal gland at the very back. It almost looks like a little tiny tongue just right there in the middle. These two glands right here. Shoot, what are those called? The two lobes below the pineal, or the four lobes, are the corpora quadrigemini, or gemina, whatever. Let me pronounce it. Corpora quadrigemina. Those two, well, it's supposed to be actually four of them. And that's pretty much it. The left hemisphere, the cerebrum, is responsible for, or dominant in most people, for speech, according to the book, Anatomy and Physiology holds. And some people, the right side is more dominant, and some people, both sides are equally dominant. But for most people, apparently the left hemisphere of the cerebrum is dominant. For speech, writing, reading, verbal, analytical, computational skills for most people. The cerebrum is also responsible for personality, memory, storage, and intelligence. It's also responsible for initiating voluntary muscle movement, if I didn't say that already. Temporal lobes, responsible for hearing, interpreting sensory experiences, remember visual scenes. This side out here. And remembering music, your favorite song would be the temporal lobe side of the brain, by the temper, by the ears, the ear canal, and remembering complex sensory patterns. The medulla oblongata is apparently also connected to the heart. It can, I think, nuclei in this area is responsible for increasing or decreasing heart rate. Also for coughing, sneezing, swallowing, vomiting. And frontal lobes are also responsible for judging consequences of behavior. You see the optic nerves, the optic chiasm, the optic nerve sticking out, but it's like a little X in the middle. That's the optic chiasm. You have these are the olfactory nerves right here. Those little flaps. That's so interesting to me. It reminds me of headlights. And what is it? Shit, what the hell are these two little worm things? Those are oh, is it no, those are not olfactory nerves. Those are ocular motor nerves. 1, 2. The how do you pronounce it? Infundibulum. I'm tongue tied right now, but that little hole right there, the pineal gland, would be right in the middle of it. And the trigeminal nerve is very small. It may be able to sticking out. This may be it right here. No, I don't think that's it. This may be it right here, that little small thing. Or that may be it, but I'm pretty sure this is it right here. You have the two pons. 1, 2. The trapezoid area. 1, 2. I think the rest is the medulla oblongata. And that is it. I think I might have dissected some of it. Cut it in the middle. See what this toes. Yeah, it shouldn't be an issue. I have to split this in half too. Alright.